Hey guys, man, it's a nice toasty one out here today. It's like 100 degrees out, so here's Pop's truck done up. I don't know if I made a video or not. I think I did, but you can see I haven't used it. He's funny, you know. A lot of people want to use their new truck and he lets it sit. But, yeah, we used it the other day. And that's what I'm gonna go show you. Took it for its first real tow with it out to a local, about an hour away, give or take. As you can see, it's so hot, the squirrels and chipmunks and stuff are just chilling. Try to go by slow so I don't spook them too much. I don't blame them. Dingbats. Alright guys. The chipmunk's showing you what it is. Got this guy. Found it for Dad on the computer and went and got it. Another blown up engine. And turns out we bought the Husqvarna from him before, so I wound up buying 2 machines from this guy. So the engine was no good. And we took it out, and this is Dad's first rebuild. It's not the original block, it was one we had, but it's smoked. So this morning Dad had this engine part. Don't worry about it, Chippy. I ain't gonna hurt you. And he put new rings on it and put it all back together, and little sucker runs good. So blades work and stuff. So I don't know. These single Inteks are turning into the new Courage, I think. Because look, this thing only had 222 hours and it blew up. Oil was pretty garbage. And this had some electrical stupidity. They took the kill wire off and they put a door, it was a ring, like a doorbell switch. And it looks like that's what they had hooked up to. So, oh, no wonder they're fighting. Dingbats. Look at them all. Why? Why, you think I got something for you to eat? Why? Well, you want a peanut? You want a peanut? You want a peanut? Do you? Yeah, see. And these gnats, good lord. Yeesh. Alright, so anyway. So it runs, mows, so Dad's got to mess with that yet. This guy needs a carburetor clean. That engine that he got works good, other than the carburetor's dirty, I guess. And typical brother-in-law's tractor. Got it all ready for him. He had it for a while, then it don't work. And it wasn't his fault. I've never seen it, but the push rod broke. Intake push rod, aluminum. It broke on the end, so it would kind of start, but it would never rev up, almost act like it was flooded. We checked everything, didn't dawn on us to take the valve cover off until later. I told him something's just not right. Took the valve cover off, and there it goes, falling off. Replace it, and it still don't run right. And now this shows you, you can always learn from your mistakes, and this one was one of them. Took it out of the tractor. Took the engine out, split it open. I thought for sure, by the sound of it, that it was out of time, like the that little keyway on the cam gear on the crank broke. I didn't think it was possible, but you know what? You never know. So took it out and nope, wasn't that. We checked the keyway and it was fine, but I think it had hairline crack. Us trying to start it, it broke and it was off enough to cause all these issues. And I think it's the problem with our impact, because he used it on that red engine, and while he's outside I was letting it break in, like, you know, just idling and revving it a little bit. So I revved it and I went to go to lower it down and it backfired super loud, and that's it, wouldn't start again. I thought it blew up. And now the keyway broke. So I think our gun isn't getting the nut tight enough. So we're going to figure out. I have a tool from when I was a mechanic for holding the flywheel so you can get the torque converter bolts. You know, like you turn it so. You guys know what I'm talking about. So I have one of them. What I'm thinking of doing is using that to hold the flywheel. So you can tighten the bolt and torque wrench it. Look at this, guys. Look at this. I don't know if it shows up in video or not, but look at them all. There's literally thousands of gnats around my head because it's so hot. Yeesh. I'm going in. But anyway, so there's an update. So this one, let's see. I'll probably just start if I leave it at idle anyway. So, yeah, I'm going in. I'm gonna put these bird feeders away and go take a shower. Alright guys, so there's a little update. And I have so many chipmunks now. Ah, you stupid thing, get out of my ear. And they're not too scared of me. So, see me as the food source. We got like hundreds of them. So, alright. Catch you later.